Okay, open it. Okay, take it out. How's it?
Yummy!
You want to eat another one?
No!
So, with this little fun, let's begin our project. How we can grow tomatoes at our home. Cut the tomato, and you can see the seeds over there. They're tiny seeds and they will grow. And I have taken the garden soil mixed with compost and just dropped the seeds over the soil like this. I have prepared 2 cups over here, and now just cover the seeds with the soil and just add some water. Now put the plastic over it so that the seeds will remain moist and warm inside. They can grow faster, and make some holes so that air can flow in and out. After 11 days you can see that the tomato plants has really grown well. I used to water them when the soil seems little dry, and again I used to cover with the plastic, and once they grow little taller I remove the plastic, and I have kept these glasses in the partial sunlight near my terrace so that they can get warm environment and can grow fast. After 23 days you can see they have grown very nicely, and you can see these tomato plants are just packed inside these 2 cups. We need to water them regularly so that they will not get dry and they can grow fast even in this congested environment. Checking after 30 days, a month later, we showed the seeds. Here you can see these tomato plants are really doing good inside this cup, and you can see they are pretty much congested inside over here, so we need to separate them and plant them in the garden so that they can grow very well over there. So now taking out the plants, you can see the nice network of the roots inside the cup, and the plants are really healthy. All we need to do is now separate those tomato plants. You need to take care of the roots because they are very fragile and they can break down at any time. So take your time and separate them slowly. Make your garden like that and place the tomato plants in such a way. Okay, now I will plant them in the garden like this. Dig a hole and just place it in the soil like this. You can add some compost so that the baby plants can do well. So let's speed up, and after completing planting the tomato plants you need to water them so that they can be stable in the soil. So checking after 35 days you can see these plants has survived in the garden and they are just doing good. I added some leaves compost so that the soil will be warm and it will not get dry very soon, and the leaves can act as a compost. After 50 days I'm just removing the weed from the plants and making the soil loose so that the roots can go more deeper into the soil and the plant can grow faster. I'm also covering the leaves compost so that that will act as a nutrition for these tomato plants. And I have done this for all my tomato plants, and they look nice and they are ready to grow faster. After 60 days you can see here the tomato plants are really doing good. I can see some small fruits in the plant and a lot of flowers have appeared in the plant, and you can see few of the fruits has appeared among these tomato plants, and I'm really happy with my project till now. So in 75 days I add some more compost so that the plants can get more nutrition and they can bear more tomatoes and the plant can be healthy. You need to put the compost just on the root of the plant and cover it with the soil from all sides so that when there is water the nutrition from this compost will go into the root and they can grow very nicely. So checking after 90 days you can see these plants has really done good. Since it is winter, the growth is little slow, but I'm quite satisfied with my project. I can see quite remarkable number of tomatoes in my tomato plant, and these tomatoes will be ready to be harvested in a month time. So I hope you have learned how you can grow tomato plants, and if you think it is informative, please do share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.